Good morning to all. I am Dr. S. Murugesan, Associate Professor from Department of Computer Science in RMDEC Engineering. Today, we will discuss about the topic Waterfall Model. In SDLC process model, SDLC means Software Development Life Cycle. The Software Development Life Cycle process model is a framework that describes the activities, actions, tasks, milestones, and work products performed at each stage of a software development project that leads to a high quality software. Why we need a process model? The software development team must design the process model that is to be used for software product development. And then the entire team must adhere to it. Each team member will understand what is the next activity and how to do it. This process model will bring the definiteness and discipline in overall development process. In software development lifecycle models, there are the following different models are there. First one is waterfall model. Second one is incremental process model. In incremental process model, there are two types. First one is incremental model. Another one is RAD model. RAD means rapid application development. Next model is evaluationary process model. In the evaluationary process model also two types. First one is prototyping model. Next one is spiral model. And last model is object-oriented process model. In this class, we discuss about the waterfall model only. Other models are we discussed in later classes. In waterfall model, there are 5 stages are there. First step, a requirement gathering phase. Then progress through analysis, design, coding, testing, and maintenance. In requirement gathering and analysis phase, the basic requirement of the system must be understood by software engineer, who is also called analyst. The information domain, function, behavioral requirements of the system are understood. All these requirements are then well documented and discussed further with the customer for reviewing. In design phase, the design is an intermediate step between requirement analysis and coding. In this design phase, we focus on program attributes such as data structure, software architecture, interface representation, and algorithmic details. The requirements are translated in some easy to represent form using which coding can be done effectively and efficiently. The design needs to be documented for further use. Coding is the step in which design is translated into machine readable form. If design is done in sufficient detail, then coding can be done effectively. Programs are created in this coding phase. Once the coding phase is completed, the testing phase begins. While performing testing, the major focus is on logical internal of the software. The testing ensures execution of all the paths, functional behaviors. The purpose of testing is to uncover all the errors, fix the bugs, and meet the customer requirements. Maintenance is the longest life cycle phase. When the system is installed and put into practical use, then error may got introduced. Correcting such errors and putting it in use in the major purpose of maintenance activity. Similarly, enhancing system services as new requirements are discovered is again maintenance of the system. This waterfall model is a widely used model, although it has many drawbacks. Let us discuss about the benefit and drawbacks of the waterfall model. Advantages of waterfall model is the waterfall model is easy to implement and also easy to understand and easy to use. It provides the structure to inexperienced staff. For implementation of small systems, water model is very useful. Good for management control, works well when quality is more important than cost or schedule. These are all advantages of waterfall model. Then we discuss about the drawbacks of waterfall model. All projects are not able to follow the linear sequential process. All requirements must be known upfront. Sometimes few business systems have stable requirements. Next drawback is the customer must have patience. A working version of the program will not be available until late in the project time span. The customer can see the working model of the project only at the end. After reviewing of the working model, if the customer gets dissatisfied, then it causes the serious problem. Another drawback is the requirement analysis done initially, and sometimes it is not possible to state all the requirements explicitly in the beginning. This causes difficulty in the project. These are all the drawbacks of the waterfall model. When to use the waterfall model? Requirements are very well known. Product definition is stable. Technology is understood. New version of an existing product and porting in existing product to new platform. Thank you.